Hello everyone, we have arrived at the SIMONEHOEVE cheese farm and clog factory. Our tour guide Leo is asking us to hurry up because they have actually been waiting for us past their closing time. You can now listen to the Dutch lady explain how cheese is processed.
We need a cow, and a cow gives us milk, 30 liters a day. For 1 kilo cheese, we need 10 liters of the milk. The fresh milk we do in the cheese barrel. Cheese barrel, it has a double wall. We put hot water in between the double wall, and we bring the milk. We give it back to the animals. They drink it because it's very healthy. Second part, the thick part, that's the curd. The curd we do in the cheese barrel, and we press it for 4 hours under a pressing machine. After 4 hours pressing, we have the young cheese, and we do the cheese in the salted water. Small ones 6 hours, the big ones 24 hours. Then we dry the cheese on the wooden shelves. Every day we turn around the cheese and we give it a plastic or wax coating. Now you can take the cheese all over the world. 6 weeks it's young, 6 months middle old, and after a year we have our nice old cheese. Not so easy to cut, but really nice and tasty. In the Netherlands we have as well 2 famous cheeses. The round one, this is the Edam, the flat one, this is the Gouda. Edam and Gouda. Then we have special cheeses like green pesto, truffle cheese, goat milk, smoked cheese, all vegetarian cheeses. We even have with ham, but you can ask for it. Standard, all our cheeses are vegetarian. And we even have one with cannabis. We are in Holland.
What is the special? No. Category. Marijuana.
Yes.
Marijuana cheese.
But only the seeds. So not get high. No, nothing will happen.
That's just a flour, right? Or the seed?
Yeah, only the seed.
Cheese.
For cutting the cheese, we use this cheese slicer because it's very handy for cutting. If you even, when you not eat cheese, you can use it for your carrots, cucumber, for all your vegetables. And this cheese slicer here is for cutting like this. And I will show you how we make the wooden shoes.
We are now going to the Clogs factory where you can see various types of clogs, and the lady will explain how it's made. This is actually a workshop for tourists.
Wet because that's easier for cutting. By hand, only 2 shoes a day. With this knife we can cut it. And by machine we can make 200 shoes a day. This is for the outside, and this knife here, this is for the inside. In a small moment I will show you how we make it by machine. In the Netherlands we have 2 famous shoes as well. The farmer's shoe, that's the yellow one, and this one is the wedding one.
Here you can see the yellow working clogs and the cream colored wedding clogs.
See, this is for the outside. And now this machine here, this is for the inside. And this is for the inside. it has to dry for about 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, the wood is dry, and then we can paint.
The factory shop offers a wide range of cheeses, Dutch candies, and of course, wooden clogs. The little souvenirs allow visitors to take a piece of Dutch culture and craftsmanship back home. The first guild of clog makers in Holland date back to 1570. The clog or clump, as you have seen, is made from a single stump of wood. Along with tulips and windmills, they are considered a national symbol of the Netherlands. This is the part of the store where they have all kinds of cheese. There's Eden, Gouda, green pesto, truffle, smoked, and even cheese with cannabis. There's a variety of souvenirs to pick from. We are now outside the store, taking a look at the farm in the distance. We are leaving the cheese and clogs factory. It's about 8 p.m. Amsterdam is a venue for conferences and concerts. We're walking towards a restaurant for dinner. It's dinner time. There's garlic bread, soup, salad, and of course the main course. We are driving past the airport at night. Apart from the 1-hour canal cruise, we have traveled about 500 kilometers from Frankfurt to Amsterdam. And trust me, we're really tired. Hope you're enjoying this night drive through Amsterdam. The aircraft on the bridge is not too clear as I'm shooting from a running bus at night. This wide bridge is a runway for aircrafts. Arrived at Hotel AMEDIA, Amsterdam. In my next video, we shall be traveling from Amsterdam to Brussels, Belgium. hope you enjoyed watching my video. Thank you.